Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 50 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into the download mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key. When you see your boot options, select Power Off, and when the device turns off, which should be almost immediately after pressing the button, you will want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now, once you see Honor logo on the screen, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. When the Honor logo disappears, you can also let go of the volume up and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up on the screen. And there we go, as you can see, it shows up. It takes a couple seconds to actually boot into it, so just give it like 10-20 seconds. And once you see this, all you want to do is select update mode, and then from here select your option. So you can USB update mode, which obviously is the download mode, and you can also do it from a SD card. I'm not going to select any option here, so I'm just going to back out and select restart, which will take me back to Android. So anyway, now that the device is rebooting, this was basically how you can access the download mode on here. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.